Good afternoon, children. Welcome to chemistry practical class. Today we are going to discuss about nitrogen dioxide gas, that is NO2. So let's start. Nitrogen dioxide this is NO2. Okay, so this we are going to discuss today. First of all, the physical properties of nitrogen dioxide we are going to discuss. Physical properties. So number one, the color of nitrogen dioxide is reddish brown. Through this color we can distinguish the gas, and this is a very particular color, we can say, of this nitrogen dioxide is having this reddish brown color, and through this easily we can identify this gas. Okay, so this is the first one. Next, odor, it's having a irritating smell. So odor will be irritating smell. It is a kind of poisonous gas. So it's a very whenever we are going to do the experiment, when we are going to work with this, we have to be very careful. We shouldn't inhale this gas. Okay, next, number 3, its taste. As this is an acidic gas, so it is sour in taste. Sour in taste. Next we have nature of the gas. This is acidic in nature. Okay, as this is a non-metallic oxide, so this is acidic in nature. And number 5, solubility. This gas is solubility. So this is soluble in water. This gas is water soluble. So these are the physical properties, general physical properties of nitrogen dioxide. So color is reddish brown. Its odor is, it's having a irritating smell, irritating odor. It is sour in taste. Nature is acidic in nature. So if we dip a blue litmus in a moist blue litmus in nitrogen dioxide, if we hold a moist blue litmus in nitrogen dioxide gas, then the blue color of the litmus will change to red. Okay, so from this we can identify that this gas is acidic in nature, and its solubility is soluble in water. Now let us have the experiment or the reaction, how we can produce this gas in lab. Okay, for this the general method which we are going to use, that is the heating of dry test tube, heating of lead nitrate. Lead nitrate is white crystalline solid, PbNO3, hold twice. If we heat this in a dry test tube, we are going to take this lead nitrate and we are going to heat this. Then lead oxide will be produced, lead oxide PbO, which is with a crackling sound. We are going to get a crackling sound, and first of all this white lead nitrate will convert to lead oxide, which is a yellowish color mass we will get. Okay, and along with nitrogen dioxide gas will evolve, which is the reddish brown vapor of nitrogen dioxide along with oxygen gas O2. Okay, so 2 Pb 3 whole twice. So we are going to get 2 PbO 4 NO2 plus O2. So as nitrogen dioxide is having a proper color or this reddish brown color, so it will mask oxygen gas. So this is the general method. This is in this manner we can produce nitrogen dioxide. Now if this nitrogen dioxide will be passed through colorless potassium iodide solution, through Ki solution, colorless potassium iodide solution, then it will the solution will turn deep blue or brown. Okay, this is the in this manner we can identify the nitrogen dioxide gas. So if we pass this gas through potassium iodide solution, colorless potassium iodide solution, then it will turn to deep blue or brown. Okay, so the reaction involved in this will be 2 Ki plus NO2 plus water H2O. So we are going to get 2 KOH plus iodine will be liberated along with NO. So this is brown iodine. Okay, and for this colorless Ki, this will turn to brown. So through this color change we can identify the gas nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so this is along with this another video of the formation of this experiment in practically how we can do that is attached with this. So you just check that out. There you will understand how we can how this nitrogen this brown vapor of nitrogen dioxide will be evolved. Okay, so this was the nitrogen dioxide gas and its reaction.